How to add cracked game on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add cracked game on Steam. It's super simple, so let's move towards the video. First, you need to go ahead and open up Steam app on your PC. Once you're in the Steam, you need to simply go ahead and click on library option over here. From here, you can see an option in the bottom that says add a game. Simply go ahead and click on that. And then here you can see the three options that says add a non-Steam game, activate a product on Steam, or browse the Steam store for games. Here we'll simply go ahead and click on add a non-Steam game. As you can see that a new pop-up appears. From here you need to go ahead and find the game that you want to add to the Steam, and here I don't really have any game on my PC, so I'm going to assume that this is the game that I want to add. And once you find the game that you want to add, you need to simply go ahead and tick mark on it. If you cannot find the game over here, you can simply go ahead and click on browse option, and from here you can go ahead and search for the game. And once you have found the game, you can simply go ahead and tick mark on it, and from here you can see the option that says add selected program. Go ahead and click on add selected program, and as you can see that the program is now added to Steam. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.